Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Electric pressure cooker. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. Fingerprint-resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety features. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Perfect size. Cook for up to 3 people. Perfect for smaller families or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Egg slicer. Stainless steel wire. Egg slicer wires made sturdy stainless steel with sturdy, tensioned wires that can slice through eggs cleanly without bending or breaking. Ergonomic design. Egg cutter made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle are durable and rust-resistant. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip. Non-slip bases keep the slicer stable during use. Ease of use. Egg slicer with a perfect egg slot. Just drop the egg, and with one click you get neat slices. Not just eggs, but also other soft foods like strawberries, mushrooms, banana, butter, and soft cheeses. Easy to clean. Hollow base design. Food residue is very easy to remove. Dishwasher safe or clean with light rubbing. Dish soap and a rinse of water, convenient and easy to clean. Service. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact us. We will reply in 24 hours. Chicken breast shredder. Upgraded chicken shredder. Compared with the old chicken shredder, we have changed the inner shred structure and strong anti-slip strip. More effective and saves time. We do not worry about sliding away from our kitchen desks again. The flower appearance design and the transparent lid add polka dots seem like a beautiful flower to bloom. Shredded meat in seconds. The meat machine built-in plastic teeth that cover the whole area, which can tightly clamp the food. The lid has extra spikes on the edge, which help meat gather the shredded meat in the middle, cutting it evenly. The tool is applied with an ergonomic handle and an anti-slip base, ensuring comfort and easy operation even during heavy use. These updated structure designs can make your cooking tasks more efficient. Scimitar breaking knife. Premium performance. Perfectly engineered carving butcher knife tapered to a razor-sharp edge for effortless breaking down, trimming, cutting, and skinning of meat. Razor-sharp Granton blade edge. Hand-sharpened edge at 14 to 16 degrees per side for maximum sharpness edge retention, ensuring precision slicing every time. Full tang ergonomic design. Luxury Packawood handle that is triple riveted for sure grip and absolute stability that ensures comfort and maneuverability. Laminated and polished for a sanitary build, perfect for busy kitchens. Premium German steel, precisely forged of high-carbon German steel engineered to perfection at 56 plus Rockwell hardness for long-lasting performance, rust and stain resistant. Lifetime warranty. We're proud to say we believe in our blades. Your Cutlux slicing knife comes with lifetime warranty against material or workmanship defects. Purchase without risk. Kitchen utensil holder. Thoughtfully sized, set of 2. Our utensil holder set includes 2 carefully proportioned holders for your kitchen accessories. The larger holder, measuring H7.3 x D6, is designed to comfortably store around 15 spatulas or utensils. The smaller holder, at H5.4 x D3.8, is suited for the organized arrangement of up to 10 sets of flatware. Say hello to a well-organized cooking space. Multifunctional utensil holder. These kitchen utensil holders do more than just store cooking utensils. They also double as elegant vases, offering a stylish home for hair tools like combs, and can seamlessly house coffee pods and stirrers on your bar countertop. Their versatility knows no bounds. Chic modern home decor. Our kitchen utensil organizer features a crisp, modern finish highlighted by vertical ribbed and fluted stripes. This stylish design seamlessly complements any kitchen decor, improving both your culinary efficiency and the overall ambience of your home. Kitchen floor mat. Extra soft, extra thick kitchen mats are ergonomically designed for your comfort and are perfect choice for people who spends a lot of time on their feet at work or at home. Cushion support help improve circulation and posture while maintaining the firmness needed to keep a steady footing. Water resistant. Our anti-fatigue mats are made of premium quality PVC material, making it convenient to clean up and will not collect dirt. The material repels water, oils, or stains, and if anything spills, it makes an effortless cleanup. Grid pattern surface never wrinkles and gives a premium texture without collecting debris. Non-slip. Non-slip PVC bottom is manufactured so that they do not move around like other mats, while a slight texture on the top makes them slip resistant. Rug must be placed on dry surface during use. Sponge holder. Rotatable spout. This kitchen sink caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions so that the water in the sponge can be directed to the sink. There won't be any water left on the countertop. You don't need to pull out the drip tray to clean it often, saving your cleaning time. Small volume Sicily sponge holder is suitable for kitchens with limited space. It measures only 9.25 by 3.97 by 6.37, holds a detergent bottle, a sponge ball, and sink stopper. With an extra upgraded brush holder that can hold up to 4 small and large-sized brushes. With the Sicily sink caddy, you can save countertop space perfectly. Satisfaction guaranteed. The Sicily kitchen sink organizer is ready to use upon receipt. No installation required, and is widely used on counters or bathrooms, making it a satisfying gift. If you have any questions during use, please consult our customer service staff. We want to provide you with a pleasant shopping experience. Kitchen dishcloths. Ultra absorbent. With a plush microfiber design, these kitchen washcloths are super absorbent for quick cleanup of spills, wiping oil stains, and very durable for use over and over without losing effectiveness. Ideal for drying dishes and kitchen cleaning. Square root super soft material. Hamaxi dish rags are made of soft and thick coral velvet microfiber. They are ultra soft, fluffy, with no odor, no lint, and easy to wash. So it won't scratch the paint on your delicate tabletop, glass, and delicate materials, nor will it leave tiny scratches on the surface. Easy care, easy to wash and clean. Machine wash with cold water, gentle cycle, tumble dry low. Do not bleach and low iron if needed. We suggest washing them in cold water before using for the first time, as this will make them fluffy and more absorbent. Kitchen drainer basket. 2-in-1 collapsible colander. Rodigun's colander strainer basket set of 2 contains a basket and a colander. Get the versatility with this strainer bowl and colander set. Use them together for a convenient straining solution, or use them separately for unique kitchen tasks. A 3QT colander is suitable for rinsing or draining vegetables and fruits, or thawing frozen food. Mini maker. More than pancakes. Make individual servings for eggs, cookies, pancakes, grilled cheese without the need for multiple pots/pans. Compact plus lightweight. Weighing 1 lb plus. This is a must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper/RV traveling. Cord length, 31 inches. Quick plus easy. Simply plug it in and wait for indicator light to turn off. It heats up in mere minutes. The dual non-stick surfaces provide an even cook for consistent results, each and every time. Perfect gift. The perfect wedding or new home gift. Its small size takes up little counter space, and its sleek design and trendy color options will match any kitchen decor. Add to your registry now. Includes the 350-watt mini griddle maker. Includes recipe book and recipe database access. Kitchen drawer organizer. Measure drawer size before ordering. Purewood kitchen drawer organizers are large and designed to fit in drawers that are at least 18 into 20. The organizer measures 17.5 inch long and 2 deep. The width is 13.25 inch when utilizing 7 compartments and can expand up to 19.75 in width when utilizing all 9 compartments. Expandable practical. This silverware tray expands from 7 slots to 9 slots to easily store flatware, utensils, and other kitchen gadgets. This bamboo expandable drawer organizer allows you to use it in the kitchen, office, bedroom, or in any other room you want. Sturdy construction, easy maintenance. This kitchen organizer is made of mozo bamboo and stands the test of time. It can be whipped down with a damp cloth to clean. Extra compartments with more organization. This kitchen utensil holder was created with extra compartments. The bamboo silverware drawer organizer helps to organize your kitchen utensils, office stuff, or jewelry.